In this tutorial, we show you how to import transactions for matching and how to run auto matching in Oracle Account Reconciliation Cloud.